హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ రోజు పజిల్లో మనం కంప్లీట్ ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ అనిమల్స్ అనే ఒక పజిల్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఫేమస్ స్నేక్ కిల్లర్. థింక్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఫేమస్ స్నేక్ కిల్లర్. క్లూస్ MNSE. ఇక్కడ మనకు కొన్ని లెటర్స్ మిస్ అయ్యాయి కదా, వాటిని మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. It is a famous snake killer. What is this? Mongoose. 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 A river horse. Clues HPPPAMS. A river horse is hippopotamus. 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 A river horse. A very large clumsy animal with one horn. A very large clumsy animal with one horn. What is that animal? RHOCO. ఆలోచించండి. That animal is rhinoceros. RHINOCEROS. A very large clumsy animal with one horn is rhinoceros. A young deer is called a. What is that? A young deer is called a fawn. FAWN. It is smaller than a lion or tiger. It has black spots on its skin. What is that animal? Leopard. LEOPARD. It is smaller than a lion or tiger. It has black spots on its skin. That is leopard. It is a wild and cunning dog. Jackal. 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 It is a wild and cunning dog is jackal. It is a native of Australia. What is that animal? Kangaroo. 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 It is a native of Australia. The tallest animal on the earth. What is that animal? Giraffe. 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 The tallest animal on the earth. The largest of the apes. What is that? The largest of the apes. The answer is gorilla. GORILLA. A huge animal with a trunk. What is that animal? ELEPHANT. Elephant. A huge animal with a trunk. An elephant.